Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and usage demo for Ailun iPhone 16 Pro screen protector and the camera protector. Of course, the iPhone 16 Pro is not included in the order. It only comes with the screen protector and lens protector. It comes with 3 sets. And here's a thank you notes from the vendor, very warm card. And here's the anti-dust sticker, came with 3. Here's the 3 alcohol clean patches, which is very important. And this is the secret why you're going to install it perfectly with this green patches. And here's the glassy installation. Here's a menu. Let's first step use the wet clean patches to clean the surface, remove the oil. The step 2, you remove all the dust with the sticker. Very effective. You be careful because the dust will show up. And then step 3 is to install the frame, the green frame. Make sure every corner has security tightened in. You also need to remove dust if you need it. Step 4 is install the screen protector. Remove the plastic cover from backside and then carefully align with the green frame and just leave it there. Gravity gonna do the work. Just singly push from the corner. You can see the air actually squeeze automatically by the sticking force. Make sure you, if there's air bubbles, that's all right. You just squeeze it into the corner. It's not a big deal. I got the air bubbles, so just squeeze it out. You know, overall, it's a very perfect fit. It's pure glassy protector, very strong. Very good transparency. And here the step 6 is how to install the camera protector. The camera protector came out of the tempered glass, is very strong and also super transparent. It has the glue from the backside. Make sure you carefully align the camera just like that. After it's aligned, just softly, gently push it down, to engage the glue and get a very secure install just like that. You don't feel anything. It's a super strong protection. Even though if you drop it, it's still gonna protect your camera very well. Once he dropped his phone, the protector broke, but his iPhone is intact. Overall, it's very good quality. It comes with a screen protector and the camera protector. I really like it. 5 stars. Thank you.